I want to be able to embed an Excel sheet into another document where I only see the cells that I want to be visible and not the entire spreadsheet. First of all, I need to make sure that I've saved my Excel document into OneDrive. My next step is going to be to click on File and Share, then choose Embed. It defaults to the entire workbook. You don't want that. You want to select Arrange. Now, if there's a set of numbers in here, clear it out. I can select my cells, and it will show me over here what it selected. It started with A1. That's perfect. That's what I wanted. But it ends at M34. Let's look over here to see what M34 is. M34 is not a little bigger than I wanted. So I'm going to take it to what I actually wanted, which was 26. Now my next step is to decide the hide grid lines. Yes, I don't want any grid lines. I don't want students to be able to download. I don't want them to be able to sort and filter, so I'm going to leave that unchecked. I want them to be able to type into cells and not be saved. That's an important part of these embedded documents. I also want to be able to start with a certain cell selected. So I'm going to check this. And the cell I want is actually this particular cell right here. Normally I should be able to click on it and it highlights, but it's not doing that right now. And I believe that is cell D5. So actually I think it's E5. So I'm going to choose E5. And yes, that is the correct cell. I can see that it's highlighted right there. My dimensions are noted right here. And now here is my embed code. I simply highlight it and then I can copy it and share it where I would like. And once you embed your document, this is what it looks like, and you can see only those cells that we desired are now embedded.